Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nella for those of you who don't know, and today we're heading to brunch. I just came back from brunch with at the porch with my friends, and I'll just give you a quick wrap-up or summary of my experience. So the first thing I should say is that the food was pretty good. It wasn't bad, it wasn't, terrible, so I would say I liked the food. However, the wait time is ridiculous. It was ridiculous how long I had to wait to get what I ordered. First thing, when we reached there, they told us that they weren't ready yet, to give them a while. So we said, cool, we'll give them a while. When we order now, sit down waiting, I initially ordered the pasta with shrimp, beef or whatever. Sitting down waiting, ready for lick my finger, eat my food now, only for the chef to come out and tell me that the sauce isn't to his perfection, which I understand because you don't want anybody gets, bad tasting food. So understand, you know, you want to always present something good. However, where was this like when I was ordering? Why is it on the menu? Why? Why, Jesus, why? So then I made my order. Still, you know, so I ordered a ham and cheese sandwich, and still it took a while to come. Still took a while to come. Why? Why, Brie? Why? It's like one of the things that I do not like, or that I don't appreciate. I feel like, especially because we were literally the first persons there, and maybe because we were outside, there was another group who ordered before us, but we were literally the first people there. I don't think I should reach a place at like 11:30 and not get my food until 1 o'clock. I feel like there's some kind of disconnect, because when we reached there, the place wasn't even full. The place was kind of empty because people came after. I guess they knew the Schweppes. They knew, say, it's not a brunch thing, even though it's supposed to be brunch, and brunch I usually think starts at 10, goes up to 1, but it's more like a lunch thing with just a brunch name. So they came in after. They came at 1 o'clock, so they clearly knew what was going on. But me, who is the newbie novice who never been to the porch yet, come with my little eager beaver chitter self, and was there waiting an unreasonable amount of time to get served, and that is just my issue. So they need to pull up their bootstraps on that. But I did appreciate that the chef came and actually, you know, made mention and apologized for it. And I told him that I didn't like the wait time, especially for what I ordered. It too long for what I ordered. I'm sorry, it's unacceptable. It really is. And it may sound like it's something small and I'm just being unreasonable, but I feel like if you're offering a service that is not something that is new, but you're offering a service, the least, I think, wait time is important in a restaurant, especially if you're catering to people. I don't think you should be waiting over an hour and odd to get your meal and you were the first one there. That just happens to be my thoughts. I mean, if you've ever been there, had a good experience, you can always tell me. And if you haven't been there and you want to go there, you can still try. I mean, maybe it's just my bad luck and rocks and just never work out, but we saw it go. I saw the Nutribula said sometime. Anyways, guys, I'm heading home. As you can see, I'm driving. You guys are always catching me driving, so I'm gonna head home and rest, because guess who's post call as well? Me. So I left from work, went home, changed, and went out to brunch. So you know, the girl who has not eaten since last night. I never ate breakfast. So you know, a hungry man is an angry man, and a hungry woman is a hungry woman. Okay? So it was not working out. And also, one other thing is that they didn't offer us water. I actually had to ask for water. You should have. I usually like when restaurants at least make the offer and ask if you'd like it before, rather than you having to ask for water. Just out of a standard. Just ask for water. Just ask if I would like some water before you start serving drinks, before you start serving the meal. I'm gonna fill up from some water, and you know, I never so hungry. Maybe I'll be less angry. Water is quite filling. Just saying. Anyways, that's enough of my little rant, my ramble. I'll catch you guys in either when I reach home, or this might be it. So until next time, peace. Alright guys, so I am home now. I'm going to just go and relax. I have some cleaning to do. So I'm going to relax, then I'm going to clean up my space and get ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow is Monday. I'm doing this on a Sunday. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.